Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramiz Al-Farizi from English Literature B, and in this video I will show you how to make a fried rice. Let's go to the ingredients. First ingredient is rice. Sajiku, 1 egg, onion and garlic, and then mushroom seasoning. The first step is heat the pan and then add the egg. After that, beat the eggs. And I'm sorry if it's messy because my home is under construction. After stirring, add the seasoning. And then stirring the egg again. After stirring, put the egg on the plate. Add oil and then heat the pan again. After that, put the garlic and the onion. And stir it up. Add the rice to the pan and then stirring again. Stir in rice and add sajiku seasoning. And stir again until evenly distributed. Stir it up. Don't forget to add the eggs that we cooked before. And don't forget to add mushroom seasoning. And last, stirring again until evenly distributed. Simple fried rice is ready to eat.